Hello everyone, I'm Mrs. Candace, and we are going to learn today about some different musical instruments. Today we are going to learn about string instruments. The most popular string instrument in an orchestra is a violin. It plays the melody of songs that you can sometimes sing to. Look at how they use their fingers to change the sounds, and look at the four strings, and they use a bow to drag across the strings to make the music. This instrument is a cello. It has a deep, low sound compared to the violin. You have to work very hard to be able to play the cello. The guitar is fun to play and dance to. Listen as he plays a beautiful song. The harp, wonderful, melodious music from the harp. She plays with all her fingers and can play many notes at the same time. Now, make your own air guitar and play along to the music that you love.